Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your wallet address on Coinbase. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to click the download options. And from here, you can download Coinbase Wallet on iOS, on Android, or Chrome or Brave extensions. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, your wallet address on Coinbase is where others can send cryptocurrencies to you. For example, you are expecting payments, donations, or transfers from other wallets or exchanges. You need your address to receive these funds. When you want to withdraw cryptocurrencies from your Coinbase account to another wallet or exchange, you'll need the destination wallet address. Now, this address ensures that the funds are sent to the correct location. Now, for you to be able to find your wallet address on Coinbase, all you have to do is click on the send option, or maybe the swap. For example, I'm gonna go for the Ethereum. You see the option right here? What will happen is you will be forwarded here on the transaction hash. And all I'm gonna do is copy the transaction hash. It's similar to the wallet address, alright? Now let's go back again to our Coinbase. Now, for example, you're planning to send a crypto. Click on it, and you would be able to see your Coinbase wallet address here, alright? And after that, you can always use your wallet address to verify transactions on the blockchain because each transaction is associated with a specific wallet address, allowing you, of course, to confirm the movement of your funds in and out of your Coinbase wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.